leadership over here, if there are certain difficulties what you feel in the face in the field, and you would like to discuss with me, I would like to suggest you the solutions on how it can be done better. Right? Who would like to make a beginning?
ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ 600 ಬಿ ಇದೆ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರದ್ದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆ ತರದ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಇವ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್
I think so we have put the wrong question to the leadership. So these are the things they are able to handle.
How to get other network leaders in our company, sir? We met lot of people. Some people they fear about Vestige leaders. So like you told me, sir, that's like that. They fear about to earn 4.5 to 5 lakhs. Their thought process is very low. It might be 1 lakh or below.
So question?
So the question is how to get them. The point is, there are few things which you can highlight. Things which you can highlight is, if their thought process is about 1 lakh rupees, talk about the income which can come in Vestige, which is a bigger income process. Secondly, make a list of points which you should name it, and you should have at least 10 or more points on why Vestige. Right? If they are in a company which is 2 years old, so will the company last or not? That's the insecurity factor which can be there. So Vestige has been there for 12 years plus. If the company has changed the marketing plan previously or things keep on changing, so in that case highlight stability. Right? What is the support system which the company has? Has the company changed the prices of the product very often? Right? There are various points on which you are going to highlight. Now, what really works in our business is stories. Right? If you see, when we use a car book or we use the leading ladies book, these are the best tools for other company leaders. When I use these tools and we design these tools, is when you meet these people, you say, what is your fear? Your fear is that if you are earning 1 lakh of rupees or 50,000 or 70,000 rupees per month, that you come to Vestige and this kind of an income will stop. Is that the fear? Yes. Right? So you highlight to them about stories of the people, those who became successful in a very short time. Right? There are stories in Karnataka, there are stories in Tamil Nadu, there are stories in Andhra Pradesh, there are stories now even in Kerala after we have started and all across the country, where people have come and in 3rd or 4th, maximum 5th month they have gone on to a check of lakh rupees plus. Right? If you are able to take away that fear and they get the confidence of your support, right, they'll definitely come over and meet it. Now, the bigger the leader, the bigger the circle of influence, right? There are some leaders whom your downlines will not be able to handle. So what will they do? They will introduce them to you, right? There will be some leaders which you will not be able to handle. You must have talked to them and everything, they are still not getting convinced. So escalate. Right? आप लोगों को अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है तो सबसे पहले what you do is you contact the customer service staff in Bangalore office or DCC or DLCP If DLCP or DCC does not solve your problem, what do? You give it to branch office. If branch office is not able to resolve your or give you solution, you call up or send a mail to info@mywestige.com and call the customer service.
Yes.
Ultimately, if the problem does not get solved over there, you send a mail to me,
Yes.
don't you? So same system works in bringing in leadership from the other companies. Keep on escalating it. Arrange a meeting. I would love to come and help you and talk to those leaderships. Right? Because if they see the bigger picture, if they see their career, why people are afraid of Vestige? Because Vestige is a very big company, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
And when they are afraid, but if they become confident, from being afraid, we have got to take them to being confident. Now, to become confident that Vestige is always going to be a much, much bigger company as compared to the company what you are in. If you are earning a check of lakh of rupees, now, say, for example, 6 months from now, 4 of your downlines move from your company to Vestige, what will be your check?
Fear of
No. Along with fear, it is guiding them about and making them aware about the reality which is happening. Right? And how we can convince them, along with escalation or bringing on to a higher level of leadership, those who can meet and convince them, it is always better to think yourself which tools I can use. There is a training program which I do is how to make a new network. And in that training program which I do, I always say, sponsoring, whether a leader or a new person is a process, that it takes time. Right? Say for example, if you want to cook some dish, right? So you want to cook some vegetables, so it's a process. What's the process? You buy the vegetables, you wash them, you clean them, you cut them, right sizes, right? Heat up the pan, put in oil, put in the vegetables, the salt, the spices, whatever, right time, put in a little water, put your lid on top, wait for 10 minutes. If you wait for 30 minutes, then it is burnt. If you wait for 2 minutes, then it is raw. You can't eat it, right? So the way it is a process. Similarly, sponsoring also is a process. If a leader after meeting even me, if the person says no, don't leave them. Have a continuous follow-up. Right? Subhaya has got a downline called Mr. Bala in Coimbatore. Right? Can you believe Subhaya did the follow-up for how many long?
4 years.
4 years. Every month, he would give him a call, hi, how are you? I'm coming to Coimbatore, I want to meet you. He said, no, I'm going to this place, I'm going to that place. He was afraid to meet him. If there was a new voice magazine or there was a new CD which was launched or anything, hey, I'm sending you a new voice magazine, it's beautiful, you must have a look. I love you, are in a wonderful company, you are a very good leader. Wish we can work together. Not that wish we can work together in Vestige. Right? So they're words, they're tools how to select it. So he used to keep on talking about success levels of other companies. So the move came when? Because it's a matter of timing. He was doing very well in HUL. But in HUL, when his upline from Calcutta, Vanita Modi, moved to Vestige, he contacted Subhaya and he said, I also want, but I don't want to go along with her, I'll come with you. Right? So what I'm trying to say is, when you are going to bring in a person, what really works is the process. A person, if is not a leader, in that case you have got to put them onto products, make them a consumer. After consumer, tell them stories about product successful and tell them stories about people those who are becoming successful. For leaders, it is very, very necessary to talk about success of the company. Right? new products, new markets, new events, anything. For your information, we are launching 4 new products by the month of December in Ayushante, which is healthcare category. One is going to be for the liver health, right? So liver health, kind of a Live 52 kind of a product is required, yes or no?
Yes.
Why? Because people are drinking quite a lot nowadays, right? Especially in Karnataka, oh God. 6 o'clock, people are at the wine shop taking up a quarter crop. I saw this morning also. Right, the tea shop was not open, but the liquor shop was open and people are having liquor. Okay, good. Now, as it is very, very necessary to maintain liver health. So that's a very big category. So we are launching a product for liver health. We are launching a product for respiratory health. We are launching a product for kidneys. There's going to be another product, I'm forgetting it now. No, that is for increasing the IQ levels of the children. We are launching home care category. The name of the brand is Hyvest, Hyvest. That means hygienic products from Vestige, right? We are going to give you, we are giving very shortly, another 3 months time, most probably before that. We'll give you liquid laundry detergent. We are giving you a multi-purpose cleaner, your floor, anything you can clean. We are giving you dishwashing liquid. Just 2 drops, you can do entire your utensils. We are giving you a very, very high performing concentrated glass cleaner and a surface cleaner also. Right? Good?
Super.
The quality is going to be better than Amway. Because for a benchmark of a Mercedes-Benz or comparison of a Mercedes-Benz can be done with a BMW and an Audi.
Yes.
It cannot be done with Maruti Alto, right? So I think so you understand what I am trying to say. Okay? So since they are also market leaders and we are also, we are the challenger brand to become a market leader, so we have got to continuously upgrade what I was talking about in leadership. So these kind of things which are continuously happening, to these leaders, you have got to highlight that. Right? Believe me, have you heard about a company called DXN?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
DXN went down and majority of the leader, I believe around about 95% of the leadership has joined Vestige all across the country.
Yes.
And it is happening. You won't believe there are networks coming in every day. I'm not talking about every month.
Yes.
Every day. Under various leaderships all across the country, because Vestige has emerged to be a company which is the benchmark company, the stable company, professionally run company, where the carrier is safe. So these are the things you have got to make. When they came, I was just able to highlight, I said, I was talking to them about the tools what we have. I said, we have got our starter kit in 14 languages. He said, 14 languages? I said, yes. And our DVDs, product DVDs are in 19 languages. He said, 19? Which languages? I said, Hindi, English, Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, Odia, Assami, Bengali, Kasi, Garo, Mizo, Nepalese, Nepali, Urdu and Arabic. Right? He said, I worked with that company for more than 8 long years and the company was not able to provide us a decent product catalog. I'm sorry. Right? So he said, if these kind of tools are available, doing the business is very, very easy for me. So leadership requires a long-term stability. Right? Because no leader wants to shift his network every 2 years or 3 years. So that's something which you can highlight. And whenever a problem, there is a hotline. You can give me a call. I'll give you a suggestion on how it can be worked out.
How can we talk with other company leaders like binary leaders? They set up two legs like mindset. So what is the point we highlight in those persons?
Payout.
Payout 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, they are already earning in other companies.
No, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. With how many volume? How much volume? You try to realize that.
They never.
No, you have got to settle along with them. You know, if they are not able to
I
tell you,
simply asked them,
no.
is it 1 or 2 lakhs? Can you give me some reply like that? I asked them, but they never give give the correct answer.
Actually, they says they can earn more in that system, better than us.
The point is,
Binary companies.
if you talk to our leaders, Mr. Punhani and Siddharth Singh and everything, I think so you should contact them on how exactly to convince. He says Vestige is nothing else but a binary company. Right? If you build one leg strong and you maintain a side income,
Yes.
right, you will get much more income as compared to the binaries. But I have not studied the current marketing plans which are there in binary. But if you try to understand, if they are balancing from the major line, what is the business in the major line and what is the side requirement which is required on which they can earn 1 lakh of rupees. If you see that kind of a business, if it is put in Vestige, their check will be 3 times as compared to any other binary company.
Yes.
Believe me.
Yes.
So if you just take them on the face value, what they say is this is happening and this income is coming, just try to compare the apples. Put their business volume into Vestige system, what kind of a volume income will come? Anybody who's giving business of, say, for example, 10 lakh rupees is earning approximately 1.5 lakh rupees per month over here. Right? In binaries, they don't earn that kind of money. In binaries, they have got to invest quite a lot of income.
Thank you, sir.
That will be the best thing.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
And when we started Vestige,
Please, Anasi, be comfortable.
before they were saying that Vestige plan will not be
Stable.
copied to other companies.
Uh-huh.
They can't copy Vestige plan.
Uh-huh.
But nowadays we are going to listen, all the companies are copying the same Vestige plan and accumulative
Look.
plans.
The point
and,
is, marketing plans.
And they says to us, we have the same plan here also. We have the accumulative also. Better than you, we are giving the percentage wise we are giving. And lower price products also we are giving. So why should we have to do Vestige?
Ma'am, any company can copy any company's marketing plan. Because marketing plans cannot be patented according to the law. Right? I believe if I've got the
Sorry
company
if
which
I
you are
asked
talking
the
about.
wrong question.
No. That company, when they changed their plan last year,
Yes.
right? What they did was they copied our plan and they said we'll give you Vestige plus.
Yes.
Right? But the mistake what they did, they said the director bonus is going to be 14%.
Yes.
And the distribution point, like we give on your personal volume 6, first level 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
They said we'll do it plus and we'll give you 7, 6, 3. But the point is if volume remains 14% and you give more points, the point value comes down. That's what happened to that company. Now you go back and they see their plan again.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
When the point value came down, that means to earn same amount what people are earning in Vestige, they have got to work more. Right? So they realized it after 3 or 4 months. Then they have got the director bonus table exactly same as 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And the best part is, they still do not know how to calculate the director bonus.
Yes.
You know what they are doing? They say a director happens in accumulation. So if you have done business worth 1,59,900 last month. This month you do 100 BV, you become a director. Right? Or yes, it is happening. 100 BV you do, you become a director, and I am your upline. I am getting 5% on 100, which is 5 points. Right? Divided by 0.75, which is the point value, I am getting 3 rupees from you. And you as a leader, you are getting 6% of that 100 business volume, which is what? 6 rupees. Now, what is happening is, if I have got these kind of 4 people, the value of director bonus points is not becoming strong. And they have not been able to calculate the leadership bonus also. You know one, you understand one thing.
Yes.
Even to copy, you have got to have brains. Right? But look, they might copy our marketing plan, and it's very easy. You know, I can also reduce my product pricing by 2 rupees as compared to them. But we are not over here to sell rice, or we are not over here to sell salt or sugar. We are not on commodity business.
Yes.
Right? People, those who sell their products because of price, is why? Because their products are not good enough. Right? We say price is never a criteria for us. What we give? We give an assurance. We give a quality product which has been performing for last 12 years. There are millions and millions of people, those who are testimony to the quality of Vestige products. So 5 rupees does not make a difference. No. So their downlines, the people, those who approached you, make sure that they are met by your upline. And if they are not convinced, make sure I come and meet them. We'll convince them to join Vestige.
Thank you.
Some people they ask me, for the past 1 year we are doing, but till we are not getting so much of income like you. What is the reason? Like they ask me, sir. I don't want to open my.
So the point is, when people keep on doing the same things and expect different results, it is never going to come. Right? People say we are working very hard. What will they do? They'll come to the office every day and sit in from the morning till the evening.
No.
Right? What is the number of people you have contacted per day? 2 or 3. They'll go one day to Hosur, second day they will go to Cochin, third day they'll go to Mizoram, trying to contact one person, but they do not actually plan their work. What I always keep on suggesting is focused working. I think so, Victoria, I shared with your team also when they were in Delhi a few days back. You know, the best thing to work for anybody what I always say, I call it span of control. Our recommendation always is, and what we say, if you want your business to grow, should I put it up like this?
Yes.
Right? And for that, I won't have to bend again and again. What I always recommend is span of control for best working. Right? A person may have sponsored 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people. Right? But they have got to pick 6 strong lines. Ask them to focus on 6 active lines. A line which is always demanding more and more trainings. Sir, I want to have a meeting with you. I want to have 5 people, those who want to be trained by you. At least give me 4 days a month or 5 days or 6 days in a month. Right? Identify them. Even if you are working 25 days in a month, full time or part time. If part time you are doing around about 2 to 3 hours per day. So in that case, this team, which is always asking questions about product knowledge, they have got dreams, they want to touch higher levels. At the beginning, give them 10 days. Second team, which is active, give them 5 days. The third team, which is also active and doing quite well, give them 5 days. Another team, which looks promising, give 3 days. And 2 days to another team. Now this might be a team which is saying, okay, let the Sarah go, then we will start, they are good people, I will bring them along, something is happening. This team you can invite to any of the meetings what you're going to do. Now what we have got to realize is majority of the people, they don't focus on the strong team. They said this team is working, right? Giving good volumes, they are working fine. So why do I have to focus over here? I will focus on a team where people are not working so much. This team works when I go over there. If I don't go, the volumes don't grow. So they put more time on this kind of a team and lesser time over here. And lesser time, if you put, this team will not, this will collapse because of lack of support. Now this you have got to follow for 3 months. 3 months with commitment, with dedication. Right? Make out a plan that I am going to spend 10 days with this team, I am going to spend 10 days with this team, 5 days, I am going to spend 5 days, which days, which date, what type of a meeting, where, talk to the downlines and make your calendar. If you don't plan, success will not come. If you do it for 3 months, what will happen is this team will definitely become a 20% team. Right? It will become a director. Say for example, in 10 days what you are spending, you are doing 5 product trainings, right? And you have got a target of 4,000 rupees per training. So 20,000 will come from each this thing. If you do it for 3 months, it will be 60,000 which will be generated from that. The balance from recruitments and the new team building, right? So this, when it comes out to be 20%, this other team will be approximately on 11%, the other might be on 14% or 11%, right? So these teams will take care of your site maintenance. When this team touches 20%, from 10 days, cut your days down to 7 days. Right? A team which is on 11 or 14% and more promising, if you are giving 5 days to them, now take it to 8 days. This is a business is called balancing. Right? Because if you stop giving them days over here, this team will collapse. You have got to continue to give them 7 days in a month till the time they are not 4 people in a straight line earning LOB. When 4 people in depth, they earn LOB, this line is going to be stable for life. One example we always keep on saying is, searching for diamond. When you search for a diamond, diamond is never ever found absolutely on the surface. You have got to dig deep. So you have got to dig deep. You have got to go deep into your network to actually find more and more people, those who are going to be make this thing. So after this becomes a director, you are a silver. You do it for plus 3 months. If you do it for 3 months, this line which was already on 11 or 14 will go to 20%. It is happening all across the country. I am giving you a slow plan. People are working faster on this. Right? When it becomes 20, you are a gold. And once you have got 2 lines going on to 20, have another new line starting. If this line has gone on to 20, now from 8 days, you reduce 1 day, bring it to 7, added 6 over here, plus from this 7 days, you bring it down to 6, you add 1 over here, you start giving 7 days to this team. If you actually continue anybody with a slow pace, in 1 year's time, they can easily become a diamond. And it is happening.
Yes.
We are having people, those who are deaf and dumb. They cannot hear, neither speak. They have also gone on to an income of 90,000 rupees on being a diamond. It's a fact. System works. People expect results by doing an activity which does not get any result. They'll meet one person and try to be so persuasive, no, you have got to join. What is what you want? You have got to meet my upline leader and I'll do a follow-up morning, evening, night. They'll give 5 calls a day. They'll send them 30 WhatsApp messages. Right, and the person gets fed up. He said, I'm not going to join Vestige ever and I'm never going to do it. So it has got to be a concentrated plan. They do it 2 months, 2 years, UCD, not bad. But they have got to work on plan like this. What more?